Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit video for your Instagram Reels using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project here. And then I'm going to import my video. Wait. For example, I'm going to use this video guys for my Instagram Reels. And for Instagram Reels, you need to choose 9:16 ratio. You can go to the aspect ratio and make sure that you choose this ratio. All right, and then I'm going to create smooth slow motion video editing for my Instagram Reels. So I'm going to go to the speed menu. We can select the clip and then go to the speed, and then I'm going to use curve and select custom curve, and I'm going to click on edit, and then I'm going to add more dots. Okay, right here, and then the last one here, and then you can create the curve like this. You can speed up and then slow down, speed up, slow down, speed up, and level like that. And then you're going to apply smooth slow motion feature, choose faster process or better quality, and click on the check mark. Okay, and hold on, and now the smooth slow motion has been applied, and it will create something like this. And you can add another video if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to go to the effect menu, select video effect, and then I'm going to search for black flash effect. Okay, I'm going to choose black flash 2, click on the check mark, and then I'm going to add another effect. I'm going to search blur, and then I'm going to choose this one, halo blur. Okay, click on the check mark, and let's play it. Okay, wait, let me adjust the halo blur. You wait, I'm going to reduce the intensity and also the speed. Click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result. And then you can also add music or add sticker or text. It's up to you. Once you're done, you can click on export, and you can share it to your Instagram Reels. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.